In this video, I'll show you how to attach a handle using the whip stitch technique used in our Nova bag pattern. Today, I'm going to be using cinnamon dust rah-rah raffia and a sewing needle. Let's get started. And then go through the center of the handle, back down. So you want to continue working around your handle like this, making sure that there's no gaps. So your handle might move around a bit, but you want to make sure as you get further down around the curve that you hold that in place so your stitches are nice and lined up. Okay, so I'm just going to continue working around that until my handle is secure. So once your yarn starts to run out and you've got only about this much left, you want to add in a new piece. So you get your yarn, thread it through your needle, and then starting on the wrong side again, you want to do exactly what you did before and insert the needle from the wrong side through to the right side, leaving a length that you can weave in later. You want to make sure that this is just above your last stitch, and then you go across the handle and then back through to the wrong side on the inside edge, one stitch inward from your other stitch. And then I'm just going to continue to the end of my piece in the same way. So you want to have your stitches nice and close together so that your handle doesn't show through. And then work your next stitch right by that previous one. So once you get to the end of your piece, you want to finish up with your yarn on the wrong side. Then you can flip your piece over and weave in your ends. So I'm just going to thread my needle with one of my ends. So now you're ready to weave in your ends. So you want to thread your needle with one of your ends and then secure it with a few stitches on the wrong side, and then you can just thread it through a few stitches like that. For more detail, we do have videos on how to weave in your ends for both crochet and knit. And then once you've woven it through, you can trim the end. And there's your finished handle. So this technique's used on the Nova bag. For other techniques and videos, you can head over to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.